Hello and welcome to Devlog 2 for my indie game about mushrooms. This episode's a bit of a wild card. No real theme, just a hodgepodge of random features I added. Sorry if it's been a while since my last video, I've been a bit, busy. But anyway, I'm here now. So let's get into the changes I've made to the game. First up, we have Oneway Platforms, the staple of any good platformer, from Mario to Terraria. And they were surprisingly easy to implement. I just needed to check this little box here and wow, that was easy. But you know what isn't easy? Bridges. I was determined to make some bridges that react to physics, just like the vines that we made in the last video. But oh boy did this come with a heap of bugs. The main bug was when you stood on the bridge and jumped, you went flying into the air, and that isn't quite intended. So I messed with some settings and after a while, works like a charm. Next on the list, I wanted to add some lighting. I've never done anything like this before, so it was a bit of a new experience for me. I used a tutorial by Chris's Tutorials, and after a bit of work, we have some realistic lighting. It looks really cool when walking over a bridge. If you're wondering how I did this, I just attached a point light 2D node to a player and added a light occluder layer onto the tile map. The great part about Godot's lighting system is I can just add some lights in later and get them to work automatically. Now, next I should probably add something that's important to the game, like an NPC system, or maybe a tutorial area, or I added frogs. But just look at him! There are no thoughts behind those eyes. And guess what? They bounce. A lot. Now, after the incredibly important introduction of frogs, I think we need some particles. Look at these droplets falling from the ceiling. And some subtle floaty particles around the player. I think the particle system in Godot is the most fun I've had with this engine yet. Just some simple moving of sliders and checking of boxes, and you've got a perfect particle effect. It was around this time that I got some early playtesting from family friends, and thankfully it all went well. Finally, I added some birds. That's right, birds. That's the second time today I've added a feature that probably didn't need to be in the game, but who cares at this point? The birds play random animations every once in a while. When you get too close, they fly away. Changing the subject, are you subscribed to the channel? I see lots of YouTubers are showing this graph, so here you go. Also, look at this cool 3D model I made. Also, we have a name for the game now, and the current name for the game is Myconaut. Myco refers to fungi, and Argonaut meaning adventurer. Let me know what you think of the name, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.